website. Okay, so how we can the create the creative, informative, shareable, and something the AI features. So how we can use and make the effective and the attention. You know, some how we can grab the attention. So we can the grab attention with this presentation. Okay, so I will share the some online platforms so you can easily the create your the great, yeah, impactful the PowerPoint. Okay, and one more thing, the start the video. Why am I talking about the online the presentation? Because the we are the suddenly get the project about for the presentation, create the presentation. Yeah, we don't have the premium amount. We don't want to spend the premium amount the Microsoft Office 365. So we have the another option the online, the Google presentation. Okay, we have the cloud, the Microsoft Office. Okay, PowerPoint, cloud, Microsoft Office. We have the Canva. So easily we can create the our presentation in Canva and some AI websites. Okay, so if you hear about the Pictree, yeah, beautiful AI something. So we are talk about the little bit about the AI website. Okay, so let's start the today video the from the Google presentation. We are using the Google Word, Google Sheet. Also, we can use the Google presentation easily and anywhere, anytime. Okay, so let's start the one by one things we explore the interface. So first here, whenever we start the your presentation, so just give the title. So here the I give the title the like the presentation training. Okay, training. And see, now the best thing is the online automatically save. You don't need to worry about the suddenly you close the browser, yeah, suddenly you have to shut down your laptop. So it's automatically saved. You don't about it the what you did on the your presentation. Relax. Okay, now after giving the document name, here the subtabs. Okay, so here you can see the file tab. So when I the expand, so here you can see the import slides. If you have the any slide, so you can import, make copy. You can just share with others easily. Yeah, publish to web. Here the download options. Here you can see the you can the PPT you can download PDF. Okay, so JPG, yeah, PNG you can convert. Yeah, you can download. Okay, rename, move, and the different things we have and presentation we can the page setup. Google Presentation would provide the edit. Edit tab here you can see the undo, redo, the basic things. It's not the new. I want to share the new things here. Slideshow motion we have. Okay, so we can add the motions like the something the if you ever to see the how to the two balls the connecting and then the make the distance. So motion the feature are the help to make the presentation more impactful. Okay, you can add the theme. Okay, snap. You can the add and zoom full. Okay, insert. What we can insert the in our the slides. So here the you can see the bunch of the things. Image we can the image add. So new thing is the in presentation the generate image. Generate image mean we can the generate image from Gemini. If you heard about like the ChatGPT, Gemini is the created by the Google. Okay, simple mean. Okay, so we can create the image. I will show you how we can create the image and how we can add the our presentation. Okay, upload. We can upload from the computer, stock web. Okay, and we can camera. We can use the camera. Okay, for picture. Text box. So text box, how we can add. So I show you the image. So first generate the image. So let's create the image. So here the Gemini are activate. You can see the symbol is here. Ask Gemini. So this activate. And now you can select the square, wide, yet tall. You can the select. So I select the wide. Yeah, square, simple. And describe about the your image. So create image on the professional meeting with trainer and just create. Okay. Don't worry about the language. If you know the if you want to the Hindi, so you can use the Hindi, yeah, any other language. Okay. So simply you can create the image. So when I scroll here and here you can see the some image. Okay. So when I select this simply and here we can see the image. So I select this something that is good for me. Insert edge image and I insert this image on the my slide. Okay, so we can adjust. Okay, so I just drag it the here and see. Now here the option is the remove background. If you want to the remove background, so you can remove. Okay, and replace image with the Gemini, so you can do. Crop, you can crop and the format option. Okay, so I just give you example how we can create the image according yeah required the our presentation as per the client, yeah, stakeholder, yeah, manager, whatever. Okay, so you can create the image. Simple. Now again we back the insert. Okay, so we create the image. Okay, and here the camera we can also. So these are things we can the these ways we can add the image. Okay. Now the text box is the if you want to the add the something text here. So I want to the add here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And don't worry. You can the move the your this the text box and simply you can the add your text. So info which solutions. Okay. So you can create. Yeah. You can add the text with image. Okay, and I just want to expand here, so just expand, and you can do, yeah, you can take this here, simple, just, okay. And now if you want to the bold, so you can add the bold and this different the things here. So you can format the this text just like the we are the using the bold, yeah, font we can change. So I just bold and we can change the color with this, simple. Okay, now the insert we go again the shape we can add the shape. Okay, so I add the shape here and simply I can add the shape, add. Now I want to change the color and the things is here. So how I can change? So right click, you can the right click. Okay, yeah, you can the change color border you can do. So I just adjust. So okay, now shape, another shape if you want to the add, so you can add or different options we have. Okay, now here I insert the shape and simply I change the text color. Here you can add, and if you want the color, if you want to the change shape, yeah, color, so how you can do. So format option is here. Simply go and you can see the what kind of the options is here. Okay. So just you can the reposition, size, rotation, you can do and see. Okay. So these are the options you can use. Now I back the from the just open, and where is the option the back. Okay. Now here we are the try to change the color because I am not able to see here. Okay. I want to change the color with the yellow. Okay. See. Now I added the shape. Now I want to the duplicates. So duplicate how we can hold the control key and you simply drag it. Okay. Just again select, you can drag. So when you drag, so you can see the copies. Okay. So see. Okay. So with this way, you can copy your the shape, yeah, pictures you can do. Okay. Another. Let's go the insert tab again. Building blocks diagram. You can create table, chart, word art. You can add the video link. Okay. So you can add the video link. So here the option what available for us. So we need to check it out. So insert the video from the YouTube. So here the I want to the add the Excel Excel related video I made. So Excel tips and hit enter. Okay, and here the we will pick the from the this video. So you can see. Okay. If you have the your link, so you can do. So I suppose I want to the add and insert, and you can see where in my the creating video. So you can see here I added this video in my presentation. So you can play whenever we start the slideshow. Yeah, share your with the team. Okay, so you can insert the same thing. You can do the audio. You can add. Okay, here you can see the audio. So it's the basic things. The help me create the slide. Help me create like the help me write the mail. You can see the Gmail. So same.
Excel tricks I bet you didn't know.
Okay.
Type in unique. Select the
Okay.
list.
And just I remove the remove because there is a automatically play. So I remove the video. Okay. So I show the help me create the slide. So I just open this, and what is open Gemini is Gemini activate again, and what kind of the things you want to the create the slide. So create slide the about the something the Excel features of 2025 with updates and hit enter. And let's see the what Gemini give us. What are the preparing for us? Okay, so it's some take some seconds. Okay, so just and see here. Your slide is ready. If you want to the retry, so you have the retry option. Okay, and the source presentation training. So already I made, so that's why it shows. Okay, so new feature here you can see, and if you the like it and it's the uh, required, yeah, you want this, so simply insert and second slide is your ready. So with this way, you can the create the slide without the search any information. So Gemini helps to create the slide with this way. Okay. So insert tab what we done. So almost done. Templates we have. So templates. If you have, if you don't know how to create the presentation, so here the presentation options. Templates is here, so you can create. You can choose and create the different page. Okay. So workshop facilitation also we have. Okay, so explore it. Now the next is tab is the format. So if you create that some uh, slides, so you can explore these things. Slides. So the plus new slide. So you can create the new slide. Yeah, you can insert the slide. Okay. So plus sign is also is here in the Google presentation. You can do each from here, and the shortcut key is Control plus M. Okay, so this is the slide, and skip the all these things is here. So check it out. Here the edit theme if you want to the theme, if you want to the add layout, different layout is here. Check it out with examples. Okay. So this is the Google presentation. The next is the tab is the arrangement, arrange the alignment, center of page, all these things. The group and ungroup we can tools. If after the completing the presentation you can change the spelling. Okay, so you can check. And if you want to the speak and record, so here the option speaker notes, so you can add. Okay, extension add-ons, you can add the add-ons and help. So if you want to know about the how work the slides, so you can explore it, and the keyboard shortcut is here. Okay, so these are the tabs. I just want the important things I want to show you. The first is the Gemini. Okay, so Gemini is helps to create the image, slide, and some the data. So if you want to the some statistics, so also Gemini can help the add the statistics in your data. Okay. So slideshow you can the presentation how you can start the presentation you can do. Here the left side, right side was generate image templates, building blocks, stock webs, and the drive and photo. So if you have the photo or something uh, images in your drive, so you can explore. Yeah, you can use it. Okay, so this is the Google presentation. So I made the presentation the recently. Okay, and here this is the presentation. Okay, so this is the so much helpful Gemini. So you can insert the image. So I added the image this. and even the I'll add the slide and the different slides where is gone. Okay, so it's the 26 slide I made. So here you can see. Okay, so this is the presentation I created on the Google presentation. And see, okay, so this is the example, and here the some we are forgetting. So if you want to change the background, so you can change the background here. So different options we have. You can also create the background image from Gemini. Okay, yeah, you have the image, so you can insert the image option is here. Add theme you can do for your presentation layout. You can change the layouts. Okay, and theme and transition. Okay, so this is the Google presentation motions and different things is here. Okay, so let's move the PowerPoint Cloud Microsoft. So what kind of the things are provided the Microsoft? So let's explore. So here you can see the we need to log in the Microsoft, and when I the here the left side you can see the some icon. So when I click on here, the this is the OneDrive. Okay, so you can online the use it. So Microsoft the 365 Copilot, Outlook, OneDrive, Clipchamp, Designer, many more things is here. You can use the online Teams as well. Okay, and even you can create the form. So different kind of the options we have, and the Microsoft 365 Copilot app, every professional must be downloaded in your mobile. So it's much helpful to the make the productive and the organize your tasks and complete in timeline. Okay, so this is the PowerPoint of the Microsoft. Now, here you can see the when I open the PowerPoint Microsoft, so we have the bunch of the templates. So here you can see the some recommended here. So whatever be our requirement, yeah, what's kind of the requirement, what's kind of we need to create the presentation, so we can get the idea from these templates we can use. Okay, so don't about it how we can create the presentation. So we have the templates, some templates, and we can simply create. Okay, now the option is if you have the presentation, so you can simply the upload file and you will get the your presentation file in here. So we can upload, but it's not a big deal. I just show you what kind of things in the your features provide by the Microsoft. Google Sheet provide the Gemini, so you can add the image, background image, slide, data, different kind of things the Google presentation provide. Okay, but what provide the Microsoft? So let's check it out. So first here we go. The first step is the file. File, yeah. Let's the upload the file here so we can the much better the explore. Okay, so I just open open where is it's old. template, the browse template. Okay, so I just simply upload the file from my the laptop, so that will be easy for us. Close it. Okay, and I open the PowerPoint and upload the file from my computer. PowerPoint. What's going on? Okay, it's going because we are the using the online, so sometimes the network issues, the different issues we are the face. So it's we need to take the passage. Okay, so upload file. Open in the PowerPoint. Okay, it's going on. So I made the PowerPoint presentation. So I just upload the on the PowerPoint Cloud Microsoft. So let's explore with this presentation. Okay. So let's go. The first tab is the file. We are still loading. So okay. So we are going to the first tab is the file. Uploading the. Okay. Okay, done. Now, the first tab, the file. File here you can see the new option open. So we can open the previous the files. Okay, if you we have the new templates, so we can upload the templates from the new option. Okay, so just when I try to open, but it's not the respond. Why? Okay, and we can share the export print. Okay, I think it's good. Rename, move file. We can do the same thing like the Google presentation. Okay, so let's go the next tab is the home tab. Home tab the what provide us. So clipboard here, if something to copy, so you can uh, use the clipboard. Okay, like the Excel. Okay. Here the option is the what kind of the new slide option is like this, looking like this, Control plus M shortcut keys. Okay. So layout we can the change the here the bunch of the options. Okay. We can hide and I want to show you the shapes. Here the shape here we can insert. Okay. We can the speak our words and insert the in different language. Okay, So you can add your the text, even the Gujarati, any language you can simply by speaking you can add your text. Okay. Add-ins is here. Designers option is here. So if you don't know how to create the presentation, so you can create. Here the add-ins. Add-ins different kind of purpose. If you want to the create the form and align with the PPT, so you can create the yeah, you can use the add-ins. Okay, so different options is here. If you want to create a QR code, yeah, you want to add the QR code, so you can add in, you can use. So just simply the like the install the app in mobile and use it. Simple. Okay, so just close it here. Design option is here, but I am not able to see because the I already create the PPT, so that's why it's not show us. So close it. Now when I again go to the home tab, so these are options. So explore it. Okay, insert option. What kind of the things we can insert? So new slide we can text box. I already show you how you can pictures. Cameo. Cameo is the live. If you are the give presentation live, so you can add the cameo in your presentation like the camera. So I'm using the OneDrive live. Okay, so that's why it's not working. In if you are using the Microsoft Office 365, they are working properly. So you can see your face and you can record everything in your presentation. Suppose if you are the talking about the something, yeah, you want to the brief about the this slide, so you can record with this slide. But you can use in the Microsoft Office 365 only offline and premium option. Okay, so you can use the OneDrive, yeah, online Cameo. Camera order if you want to change, so these are things we can change. Width, height. So camera related we can the format. Okay, so you can see the options. The camera, when you add the cameo, I mean the camera, so camera format tab activated automatically. Now again I back to the insert tab and you can see the cameo already. Video, audio we can add, stock image, all are the same thing like the Google presentation. Okay, so here and the footer and these things. So these are the insert. Draw. If you want to the draw, you want to the creator, so you can use the drawer pen painting. Okay, so you can paint. Yeah, you can the create some, you can show your creativity with your presentation. Design. These are the designs you can use. Slide size, background, designer option is here. Okay, so generating design ideas, so you can get the idea for your presentation with your data, so you can see. Okay, so I already created the presentation, that's why it's not available for me. So in design tab you can see and you can design your the slides. Transition is the morphin, motion, everything is here. Bunch of the styles you can use. See, everything is here. So try it one by one with example. You can show your the best productive and interactive presentation with this way. Mostly using the morphin is very popular, trending. Okay, so you can use and directly you can apply to all. So this is the transition tab. Animation, if you want to add the animation is something, animation like something the fade appear flying. So here the list of the animation you can use. Slideshow is simple, bringing to current presentation view, rehearsal with the coach. So you can do. So this is the online. Okay. So review before the sharing the your presentation. Check it out the accessibility, reads, changes, spellings, everything. View tab what says, the ruler and the zoom, fit window, everything. So you can set according to you. So this is the PowerPoint Cloud Microsoft. Microsoft Office the 365 when you use the offline, it's a much better than the online. But if you don't have the Microsoft Office 365 offline, so you can use the online, the PowerPoint Cloud Microsoft. Okay, so this is the best than the Google presentation, according my experience. Okay, so different options gave the Microsoft. So this is the my experience. That's why I'm saying. Okay. So we understand the Google presentation, Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay. Let's move the Canva. Now you can create the presentation with Canva. Simply, if you have already created the presentation in the Microsoft Office, the 365, your OneDrive, your Google presentation, simply download from this and just upload the file in the Canva, and you can make it the more interactive and the creative with Canva. Okay, and if you don't want to the create the in the presentation in the Microsoft via Google, so you can simply create the presentation in Canva. Okay, so I'm trying to start the Canva. It's taking time, I think. It's going on. Okay, so here you can see I upload, but if you want to add the audio, so I can audio here. You can see here I already added the audio. Okay, because for my social media platforms, so I added the audio, uh, Canva. Okay, now presentation. If you want to create, so you have to go to the home tab and you can presentation templates their options. Okay, so where is the my templates? I am trying to see where is the one of the challenging the thing is the network issue. So for me, but yeah. So here you can see the Canva provide the design. So when I click here the design, so option is here. So here you can see the templates. So different kind of templates, layouts, styles, everything is here. Like the Microsoft, yeah, Google presentation. Okay, so you can use it. But the negative thing is here we need to pay something. The slide. This is the really beautiful, interactive, but is the we need to pay. So this is the uh, negative, we can say. Yeah, if you want to the upgrade your skills in the PowerPoint, so you need to pay the can for the extra features. Okay, so you can use it, but you have the option also. The free option is here, so you can use it. Okay, so some designs are free, so you can easily you can use it. Okay. Now here you get the templates layout, different layouts. You can add styles is also I use the styles. So if I use the, so you can see the here, but it's take the time. So you can see the some color font, the design styles, text. So different kind of things you can use. Elements here the option, the this is the elements option, your feature are the more useful to make the presentation interactive. Okay, so you can add your picture, uh, grid, so you can use it. I close this, so this is the okay. When I click here the element, something where the stuck is here, where stuck. Okay, so it's coming. So we move the here the text. We can add the text in the different forms. Okay, so I click on here. What's going on? So basically Canva has helped to create the interactive your the presentation. Okay, so you can move the text, you can add the image. So Canva itself. So element design, text. You have the if the some slide image video you can upload in Canva and simply insert in your presentation. And after you complete all these things, after you complete your presentation, you can the share, you can upload, and before the uh, download, you can just check the project. So you can check it out, okay, before the download. So this is the really helpful for us. So you can see the download option is here present. You can see public view link. Yeah, you can create the link and see WhatsApp. You can share the WhatsApp, website, Microsoft PowerPoint. All these things is here. Option is we have. Now here you can see the text option is here. So headings, subheadings, little bit. You can add the page number. You can add see. So these kind of things make your presentation more interactive, right? And these are the things you can change the color according to you. Okay, I show the elements. Elements you can the insert the frame, table, arrow, line. Here you can see the shapes, graphics. So mostly the I see the things are the uh, payable, you need to pay. But if you are the able to create the more interactive, so you can create according your you. Okay, so you can frame, you can create, you can insert a frame, grid, see mockups. So we can get the these, yeah, we can use these elements in our presentation in simply. Okay, so this is the Canva, right? So you can create, and the last we are going to the AI website where you can create the presentation in seconds. But the worst thing is the you have to need to pay for download. presentation. Okay, so this is the good, but if you can pay, so you can get the presentation better way and easiest way as per Pictory. Okay, so you can explore this. I try to explore, but it doesn't work for me. I don't know what is happening. I'm trying to convert into the video, so it's running. I think still. So that's the little bit challenging when I create the presentation. And one more thing, I would like to say, your the internet speed it should be good. Then you can get the better result and quickly. Okay, so this is the I already upload the sheet, but I don't know is currently still the working. Okay, so I'm convert the video, but I'm not able to see. And simply you can download the from your presentation. So let's check it out if it's working. Download without the watermark, so you need to pay. If you download with watermark, so you free. Okay, so it is the one most important thing. You if you can pay, so you can use it. Otherwise, Google presentation, yeah, Microsoft Office 365, offline, yeah, OneDrive you can use. And if you more creative, want to make your presentation, so you can use it the Canva. So these are the best. These are the AI tools mostly are the we need to pay, then we can use. Okay, so this is the little bit challenging. So you can use it. Okay, so prepare the video preview. So it will take the time I think. So I'm trying to see what is going on. So this is the Pictory AI. So such kind of the video we can create the from the Pictory AI. Okay. So simply download, but you have to need to pay some amount. Okay. So this is the our the online presentation updates. Yeah, introduction. Yeah, simply we can say the learn the basic things. So that's it about this video. I hope this video helps, and if you have any suggestion, any feedback about this video, please write in the comment below.